50% commission charge is back to haunt the Bommai government in Karnataka.
Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar were scheduled to appear before the special court judge in Bengaluru at 10:45 am. The summons were issued following a complaint filed by the BJP accusing the Congress party of defamation. The complaint, lodged with the special court, alleges that during the 2023 assembly elections, the Karnataka Congress placed advertisements in newspapers accusing the BJP government of corruption. Now these advertisements, according to the BJP, falsely implicated the then Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai and defamed the party. The special court judge has ordered the registration of a criminal case against the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, Siddaramaiah, D.K. Shivakumar and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. The contentious advertisements were part of the Congress's 40% corruption campaign against the BJP during the elections. The court proceedings are expected to shed light on the veracity of the allegations and implications for both parties involved. Further updates will be provided as the case develops. Stay tuned for more information. Like, share and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.